Alrighty, y'all. As you can hear, Datsun's running knockless. Seems to be running really good. Got the oil pressure switch down there, which I believe was the catalyst to the entire problem. However, one of these things has been knocking for a while because it's as quiet as this car's ever been. Come to the back and back into the front. Got about a quarter tank of gas. Thought I had a half tank, but whatever. And my oil pressure is looking really good. This gauge been broken for so long I can't remember last time it worked. But yeah, seems to be working really nice. I got the idle up a little bit high just so keep everything going. I'm gonna let it heat cycle, turn it off, drain that oil, put some more oil in it to get rid of any debris that might still be floating around in there. But yeah, it's running really good. Datsun's back on the road.